MAC500s produce the same level of ozone as you have outside in nature on a sunny day and is therefore safe to use while people are in the room. This low level will significantly reduce airborne viruses and bacteria 24/7, not only when the air passes through the machine, but everywhere the low level of ozone reaches. To keep a swimming pool clean, you must add chlorine, because the water cleaning system alone will not keep the water clean. To keep room air clean, the MAC500s not only passes air through the purifying machine, but also adds low-level ozone for maximum effectiveness. It significantly improves your indoor environment and can reduce airborne viruses up to 99.9%. Jimco. Always stay safe.